Hi everyone, I'm Natalie from Moonlite, and today I'm going to take you through the entire Moonlite collection, starting with the gift pack. So the gift pack contains one Moonlite projector and then 5 different story reels. 4 of the story reels are from the Little Golden Book series. Some of the titles include The Pokey Little Puppy, Tawny Scrawny Lion, The Saggy Baggy Elephant, and The Shy Little Kitten. Then of course our favorite, which is Sago Mini, which is a bonus reel. So this one comes free with the gift pack. Then if we open up the gift pack, we can see what's inside. And again, it's packaged out quite nicely with storage for all the different reels. And then your projector here in the middle. There's also an activation code card. This is very important because you need this code to unlock the stories within the app. And then on this side over here, we have our quick start guide to help you get started with Moonlite. And that's the gift pack. Next, we have a smaller version, which is called the starter pack. And the starter pack includes one Moonlite projector and 2 separate story reels. Goodnight Moon, which is one of my favorites, and Sago Mini. If we open up the package, you can see it looks kind of like a book. And inside there's a little slot for the projector and then of course the story reels. And then we have one activation code card. Again, very important for making sure that you can unlock the stories within the app. And then on this side, we also have one quick start guide, which if you flip over contains a quick set of instructions to get you started with your Moonlite. And that's the starter pack. All of these packages are designed like books and they're designed to be reusable, so they fit in nicely with your bookshelf and you can store all the pieces. The last part of our line, but not least, are all of the little mini individual books. We have 10 available in total. Some of the very favorite classics such as Goodnight Moon, Curious George, Where's Baby's Belly Button, and a ton more. So inside these individual story reels, you can see that there's just one little story reel and an activation code card. Again, what you need to unlock this within the app. These are packaged like tiny versions of the actual book. Very, very cute. And there's 10 individuals available in total. And that's it. There's 10 different ones available in season 1, and we have a bunch more coming soon. Okay, so there you have it. We have the gift pack, which contains 1 projector and 5 stories, the starter pack, which is 1 projector and 2 stories, and then all of the individual story reels, which you could find on our website, www.moonlite.world, or at select retailers.